Let's talk about timing. When do you apply? How does this process work? So right now I'm recording this in June, and bills for the fall semester are going to be going out this month and next month, depending on the college, and they'll be due in sometime in July or August, usually 3 to 5 weeks after the bill is sent. Now, these bills from the college are only going to include the direct costs, such as tuition fees, housing, meal plan. Things like books, laptop, transportation, you can pay that out of pocket. We always recommend for those unbilled costs to try and pay it out of pocket if you can, rather than borrowing. It can help reduce your borrowing. You may be charged for health insurance. In Massachusetts, every student needs to be insured. So the college, if you haven't waived your health insurance by providing your insurance information, they will charge you for that. So make sure that if the student is insured under your health plan, and it's going to be properly insured at whatever school they're attending, that you waive that health insurance, because it can be, up to $2,000 or more. And that information will be on your bill and how to waive that. Your enrollment deposit, if you have a student who is a freshman, should be deducted from the bill, as well as any other financial aid or, private scholarships that have come in the door. If you've set up your payment plan or applied for your loan ahead of time before you get your bill, you may even see a credit for that on the bill. Typically, if your student has work study, that's not going to be a credit on the bill. Work study is an amount that the student can earn up to in a part-time job on campus. So work study, they'll still have to apply for that job, and then they'll get a biweekly paycheck usually to pay for those unbilled expenses, such as books, supplies, pizza money, that kind of thing. It's a good way for a student to help to contribute towards the bill, so that they're not, texting for a Venmo payment, to help pay for their pizza bill every month to their parents. So it's a good way to, pay for school, get a little good time management skills in there as well. Now, you can apply for a loan at any time during the academic year, for MEFA, for example, but we do recommend applying. Give yourself a 2-week cushion before the bill's due date. That way, if there's a credit issue or anything pops up, you're able to get that taken care of before the bill's due. However, this process is electronic. For example, with MEFA, you can apply, have your loan approved. It's an instant credit decision. Get your promissory note all signed online. You can have this done in, at least in a little less than a half hour. It's really easy, or it should be really easy. But we don't want you to wait till the last minute to apply in case there are any issues on credit, for example, that might pop up. And set up those payment plans as soon as possible if that's something that you're considering doing. That way it will be credited on your bill, and you can get those monthly payments started, because those payment plans usually start in May, June timeframe.